Soldamatic IE. Soldamatic IE is the third-generation Soldamatic platform. It proposes a flexible software subscription system that adapts to the market needs. Education. Attract the new generation of young people to welding. Train them better, faster, safer, and reducing costs. Bring a non-qualified resource to a certification level of welding experience. Advanced. Bridge the gap with industry. Train an AR with competition multi-joints and different industry applications. Prepare welders for international welding competitions. Industry. Improve the productivity of real welding operations on the field and reduce the failure rate in industry recertification processes. Train welding professionals with personalized processes and increase their productivity while reducing retraining costs. Start digitizing your welding training program today with Soldamatic.